Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make an extremely easy, simple and delicious rice pudding. I made this version quite healthy because I'm substituting the sugar with the natural sweetener. So let's see what we will have. Let's get started. For this recipe we will need 2 cups and 3/4 of whole milk or 700 ml. We'll need just a bit of butter for the pan, 2 tablespoons or 25 grams of stevia sugar. I have the natural sweetener just to replace the actual sugar, 100 grams of pudding rice, or here I do have the half cup, raisins, about 50 grams of 1/3 of a cup, and as well some ground cinnamon. To enhance this flavor, I'll just use some of the peeled lemon, like 2-3 of them, not too much, otherwise it's going to be bitter. So the process is quite simple. We'll just need to wash the rice and to combine all the ingredients together and place it in the oven. Meanwhile, before preparing the rice, preheat your oven at 150 degrees Celsius. I'm moving now. So after we mixed all the ingredients, just let it sit for about 5 minutes and add the lemon peel. Set this aside and let's prepare the dish. So just place the butter everywhere around the dish using your hands or a spatula, but I'm using my hands because it's easier and it's faster. So now just transfer all the mixture right here. Make sure place it in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for at least 2 hours. So this was my recipe of rice pudding, extremely fast and extremely delicious as well. Even though it stays in the oven for 2 hours, but the taste is awesome and you'll love it. So I recommend trying it. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new interesting and healthy recipes. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.